In today's video, we'll see about RAG model, and I'm going to show how to build your own Q&A assistant. I took a data set from medical documents, which is available online, and few more gathered manually with the help of Wikipedia sources. This is how it looks so that I can feed that into my model. This dataset structure should be separated by questions and answers with its object ID. Now let's start with a model by defining project ID, region, bucket URL, and we need to keep an experiment name. Bucket is a cloud storage used for your data, and you have to give its path to be trained with. I'm using GCP Vector Notebook to avoid dependencies issues. Next, creating a function to read files and generate responses. Just specifying the path, corpus name, which is your data, and chunk size is input to be processed while importing files. The default value is 512 tokens. Then chunk overlap is the number of tokens to be overlapped during your process. Its default value is 100. Moving on to the second part of the function, which is rag.retrieval-query. This function likely takes several arguments: rag resources, rag corpus, and rag file IDs. Rag corpus refers to the name of the corpus you created earlier, and rag file IDs likely used when you wanted to retrieve information from a specific files within the corpus. Then text is a sample query format which RAG considers for retrieval. And similarity top K argument specifies the number of most similar passages to return. Default is 10. And vector distance threshold for the similarity score between the query and the passages. Creating a Gemini model instance to support RAG, which will help to train the given data. And finally, printing the responses. Now let's check few example questions and see how it works. You can see few relatable and accurate answers for your questions. And this example, it says it can't recommend a medicine. It's just because the model cannot be a doctor. It can only assist. With that, you can build your own Q&A assistant using RAG from your custom data. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.